You see this key? Let me show you where it leads to. Let me show you this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, double garage, 355 square meter house on a 500 square meter stand. Double volume entrance foyer, nice, proper, big, conservative study, guest toilet on your right hand side. Welcoming, open plan living areas. You've got stacked doors with American shutters on all northern sides of the property on the ground floor. Clever design. You've got a lounge, dining area separated by this. It's TVs on both sides, a fireplace and a wine rack above. Entering this fabulous upmarket kitchen with gas hob, extractor fan. Just look at how everything comes together over here. You've got a braai room, entertainment friendly patio area, double function braai that is gas and wood burning. What a great idea would this be to make this a boma area to entertain your friends, family, whoever you just want to entertain. Small, manageable garden, lush, looked after, just what you need. Upstairs, beautiful master bedroom, big ensuite, double basins, separate toilet, laminated flooring, high ceilings, an abundance of built-in cupboards, and then let's go and have a look at the rest of the top floor. From this pajama lounge or second study, you've got your second bedroom, your third bedroom. Both of them, they've got an interleading balcony. The third bedroom has got an ensuite bathroom, and there's a third bathroom with a bath basin and shower. Olympus is not just an area for young people, it's for anyone looking to live in a modern and trendy area. So if you're interested in looking at this property, give me a call.